To fix Netflix Error Code M7701-1000 and 3 in Brave browser. And if your shows won't play, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Netflix shows error M7701-1000 and 3 every time you try to stream, even though your internet is fine and other browsers work? This usually happens because of browser extensions, corrupted cache, outdated Widevine components, or DRM conflicts that block Netflix playback in Brave. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes error M7701-1003 and lets Netflix play smoothly in Brave browser. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures you can watch your favorite shows and movies without interruptions. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Netflix Error Code M7701-1003 in Brave browser, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally stream Netflix without problems.